Here we have a cicada killer wasp with a paralyzed cicada. She's dragging it off. I don't know where her underground den is. She's a huge cicada killer wasp. Wonder where she's going to go. That's a heavy load that wasp has to carry. She'll probably climb up a tree or somewhere, get some altitude, and then fly off with the cicada. The cicada's not dead, it's just paralyzed by the cicada killer's sting. She's heading toward the trash cans. She'll probably climb up on them. That's where she's heading. That's where she's heading. I've been finding all kinds of paralyzed cicadas on the ground all week long here in the backyard. Because sometimes the cicadas are so heavy they drop them from the trees. There she goes. She's trying to climb up. She's taking a little break. There she goes. That's a huge wasp, the largest wasp in the United States. Getting ready to fly with that cicada soon. That's a heavy load that she's carrying. Oh, she dropped it. Now she's going back up in the tree. Oh, she lost her cicada. Where did it go? I'm looking for the cicada. There it is. There's the cicada. Oh, she dropped her meal for her baby. All right, this is Ed. Everybody have a great day. God bless you all. Like and subscribe to my channel. Drums, Bible Bike, Godspeed. Later, people.